Welcome to the tale of Tenali Rama and the puzzle of the three brothers. A story from the royal court of Vijayanagara, where wit meets wisdom and Tenali Rama's cleverness turns challenges into laughter and learning. Step into a world of humor, insight, and timeless wisdom. The sun had just lifted its sleepy head above the red sandstone walls of Vijayanagara, painting the palace corridors in liquid gold. Courtiers began streaming towards the great hall, their silk robes whispering secrets as anklets chimed faintly against marble floors. It was Judgment Day, and the throne of the king Krishnadevaraya awaited yet another peculiar case. Three brothers from the court side had come before the king, dragging along a tangled tale of inheritance. The eldest, Dhanu, was tall and serious. The second, Mani, round-faced and defensive. The youngest, Raju, nervous but alert, like a cat concerned by circumstance. Their father, a humble merchant, had died, leaving behind a small estate, a patch of fertile land, a silver idol of Lord Vishnu, and a locked chest. But he left no will. "My lord," said Dhanu, bowing. "As the eldest, I deserve the property. I cared for our father until his death." "Nonsense!" interrupted Mani. "I ran the family trade while he slept under your care." Raju, the youngest, raised his voice timidly. "And who found out father's last message hidden in his diary? Me!" He held out a torn scrap of paper that read, "To my sons, I leave what they deserve. Find the key to truth in your hearts." The courtroom rippled with murmurs. Krishnadevaraya leaned back thoughtfully. "This seems more like a riddle than a legal case," he said. "Perhaps our dear Tenali Rama can help untangle it." All eyes turned towards the court jester scholar, who was lounging cross-legged with a mild grin. He rose, twirling his moustache. "Your Majesty," he said, "truth hides better than a thief in daylight, but I have a knack for finding both." Rama requested to visit the brothers' home. The king agreed, dispatching a few guards to accompany him. At the merchant's house, Rama examined the possessions. The patch of farmland glimmering under the sun, the silver idol gleaming faintly in the prayer alcove, and the mysterious chest sealed tight with iron clasps. "Did your father ever mention what's inside?" Rama asked. Dhanu shrugged. "He said it held our family's greatest treasure." Mani scoffed. "Probably some worthless papers." Raju said nothing, just looked at the lock thoughtfully. Rama said, "Then we shall see." He asked the brothers to bring an item that represented what they valued most. The next morning, Dhanu came with a measuring rod, a symbol of trade and fairness. Mani brought a pouch of gold coins, claiming they proved his hard work. Raju brought a small clay lamp, humble but glowing softly in his hands. Rama nodded. "Good, now I'll test your hearts." He led them to their father's field and divided it into 3 parts unevenly, one large, one medium, one small. "Choose," he said. Dhanu quickly chose the largest. Mani picked the second and Raju sighed and took the smallest, saying, "Better to till a small field honestly than fight for a large one unjustly." Rama said nothing, but his eyes twinkled. Back in the prayer room, Rama placed a silver idol on a pedestal. "The one who can prove the idol's true worth shall take it," he said. Dhanu said, "It's silver, worth 500 coins. Mani said, "It's holy, worth 5,000 prayers." Raju said, "It's father's memory, worth more than both combined." Rama bowed slightly. "Well measured, young man." Finally, Rama brought over the locked chest. "Your father's last puzzle," he said. "Only the rightful heir can open it." Dhanu forced his key roughly. It snapped. Mani tried to hammer his in. Jammed. Raju, calm and patient, cleaned the keyhole gently and slipped his key in. It turned smoothly, and the chest cracked open. Inside lay a parchment that read, "To the son who opens this chest with care and humility, I leave my blessings and my estate. Wealth without wisdom is ruin." Raju gasped. The other brothers looked at Rama, stunned. The next morning, Rama returned to the court with the brothers. The chest and the parchment were present before the king. Your Majesty, Rama said, the father's message was indeed about truth. Dhannu measured fairness but lacked patience. Mani sought value but not virtue. Raju, humble and honest, opened both the lock and the lesson. Krishnadevaraya smiled. Then Raju shall inherit, but his brother shall not go empty-handed. Divide the wealth, but let wisdom be the true inheritance. The court applauded. The brothers bowed, shame and relief mingling on their faces. As they left, Rama turned to the king and chuckled. Majesty, the lock was never the problem. It was the heart that needed a key. Krishnadevaraya laughed heartily. Rama, your wit unlocks more than chests. It opens minds. That night, Rama walked home, the moonlight pooling around his feet like liquid silver. In his mind echoed the words of an old merchant. Find the key to the truth in your hearts. He smiled, whispering to himself, a puzzle solved and 3 men wiser. Not a bad day of work. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends or anyone who loves meaningful tales. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, see you very soon.